Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to turn on keyboard sound on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Currently my Samsung keyboard doesn't make any sound when typing. So how enable it? Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to the settings. And then scroll down. Tap sounds and vibration. Tap system sound. Here is a Samsung keyboard. So to turn on the keyboard sound when typing, you just need to activate on the Samsung keyboard. I'll try again to type on the keyboard. And yeah, now the keyboard sound on my Samsung S23 Ultra has been activated successfully. Just it guys, I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.